1st of October 1970 by His Eminence, the late Jaime Cardinal San, D.D., formerly Archbishop of Manila, has become by now a current parish in the diocese. It has the ability, as religious sanctuary, to invite people from all walks of life to spiritual nourishment, reflection, and consolation, even to the parishioners, due to its strategic and prominent location in Yortua village. As such, this house of prayer will be an important and central location to pray for peace. Peace in every home, in every community, in every parish, radiating from her too, and throughout the whole of the villages, and perhaps even beyond. What is peace but the assurance of God's abiding love, mercy, and protection? This peace is Our Lady's message to the three children of Fatima, Jacinta, Francisco, and Lucia. The same message of peace is given to all of us as children of God in the Diocese of Novaliches. As peace is God's gift, this house of prayer will serve as a reminder also for all of us to receive peace, believe in peace, to work and pray for peace. Now therefore, acting upon the petition of the parish priest, Reverend Father Axterio M. Leon, decided to establish a place to spread devotion for Our Lady of Fatima, having approved by UNIA in its strategic planning meeting last January 19, 2023, which recommended the proposal and was convinced of the merits of the said petition. By this presents the Most Reverend Roberto Ogawa, D.D., by the grace of God and the Holy See, Bishop of Novaliches, hereby decrees that Our Lady of Fatima Parish, located at Yortua village, Caloocan City, be conferred the title of a diocesan shrine, giving it all the rights and privileges as provided for in Canon 1230-1234 of the 1983 Code of Canon, and according to its statutes, which I also approve at the same time. In view of the spiritual benefits of the faithful to visit this shrine and promote devotion to Our Lady of Fatima, levy indulgences are given on its feast every 13th of May, given at the Obispado de Novaliches in Puerto Quezon City, the second day of February in the year of our Lord 2023. Most Reverend Roberto Ogawa, D.D., Bishop of Novaliches, as attested by Reverend Father Reynaldo Percival Flores, Chancellor.